What's up, friend? Hector here, strongestech.com with this week's workout of the week. So welcome back to, as we continue on in our journey of improving endurance, improving respiration using these strength exercises, okay? So today we're gonna be focusing on, we're gonna be going back to asymmetrical bells. You're gonna have two bells of two different sizes. As with the, I think it was the double clean that we went through several weeks ago. With the double clean, it was an asymmetrical size, and I recommend a size roughly 50%, about half the size of your primary big bell. Doesn't have to be, but I recommend to get the full effect and the feedback from the asymmetrical bells. From the feedback that we've gotten from our students, from the followers that read our blogs, follow this whole entire channel, was it was very different and not difficult, but just very different, and it took some getting used to. Because that uneven bell lets you know, are you providing more power to one side than the other, right? And you don't get that feedback when you use two of the same size bells, okay? So the asymmetrical bell is a good progression, if you will. It's actually the perfect progression when you're going from single bell to double bell. And I get that question often through email or through the blog or through the channel is, how do I progress from single bell to double bell? Well, guess what? I'm giving it to you. All right, so today's exercises, we got two exercises. Each one's gonna be done in a series to complete a circuit, okay? So that's been the whole theme, and that's gonna continue to be the theme of this whole entire episodes that we're putting together, okay? So the two exercises we're working on today are the clean and the squats. We'll be doing a series of cleans, followed by a series of squats. That'll complete the circuit, and then from there, below the video, we'll send you to the blog. Grab the cheat sheet. If you're here and you're watching this on the blog, below this video, download the cheat sheet. There's no opt-in required, all right? Just my way of giving back during this crazy time where people's gyms are closed, etc. So that's why I'm doing this, all right? So let's go ahead and head on over to the whiteboard. Let's draw this out and let's get started. All right, so let's check it out. We got it all laid out now. So asymmetrical bells, okay? We're gonna be starting out with our ballistic, followed by our grind, okay? So the ballistic, we got the clean, the grind, we got the squat, okay? So ballistic, the cleans are always gonna be sets of 5, E20, every 20 seconds, okay? Our grind are always gonna be sets of 3, every 20 seconds, all right? So let's take a look at what the series look like and then how the circuit closes out, okay? So from here, we got our clean. As soon as the clock hits 0, start. 5 double cleans. A clean should take you roughly 3 seconds-ish. So 5 cleans, that's what, 5, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 seconds. Put the bell down just enough time to swap sides. So you're gonna have 5 cleans right, 5 cleans left, 5 cleans right, because asymmetrical. So big bell on the right for set 1, set number 2, swap, big bell on the left. Or you do the whole series on the right. When you come back to the second circuit, you do the whole series on the left. However you want to work this, okay? 5 double cleans right. Put the bell down, shift, take a deep breath, shake it out. Right away, 5 double cleans left. 3 sets in a row. So at the 20-second mark, you start set 2. 40-second mark, you start set 3. As soon as you're done with the 40-second, as soon as you're done, it'll be, you're looking at what, 55-second mark. You'll rest top of the minute plus a minute. So at this series, including your rest, will take 2 minutes. At the 2-minute mark, you start your squats. Asymmetrical, clean it up, front squat, big bell on your right for 3. Put the bells down. At the 2-minute, 20-second mark, so 20 seconds later, clean them up, big bell on the left, squat for 3. Back to the other side, 2-minute, 40 mark, squat for 3. From there, you'll be putting the bells down at like 2 minutes, 55-ish seconds. Rest top of the minute, that completes the circuit. Then you get an additional minute. Okay, so after the last series, you're getting 2 minutes of rest. So top of the minute plus a minute plus an additional minute. So that gives you, so that's looking at what? At the 3-minute mark plus another 2 minutes, you're looking at what? Like the 5-minute mark or so. You start the next circuit. Okay, starting the next circuit. Back to cleans, but this time instead of starting big bell right, you'll go big bell left, left, right, left, okay? And then you'll do the same thing here, all right? So let's go ahead on over to the platform. Let's dive into it. Let's see what this looks like, all right? Let's get started. Whew. So there you have it. Man, it's already getting dark outside. Crazy. There you have it, guys. Clean, squat, serial circuit. Okay? So your cleans are done in a circuit, which is your ballistic. Always sets of 5. 5 reps every 20 seconds. It's a very short rest, you're going to realize. Okay? Rest at the top of the minute plus a minute. Then you start your series of squats. Okay? Set of 3 every 20 seconds. So asymmetrical bell, you're switching sides each set, okay? Once you complete 2 series, that completes the circuit. You're gonna go on to complete however many number of circuits I've got prescribed for you. So in the description area, there'll be a link that will take you over to the blog. If you're already here on the blog, below the video, there is a link that you can click. It'll send you right to the cheat sheet that you can download, okay? No opt-in required, just download it. My free gift to you, just my way of giving back during this crazy time. Most people's gyms are closed, etc. You know, so that's kind of why we're doing this whole series. So, clean squat using asymmetrical bells. The perfect transition from going from single bell to double bell is learning how to use those asymmetrical bells, all right? So put that in action, give it a try, let me know how it goes. If you're liking the videos, be sure to subscribe, drop a comment below, like it, like thumbs up, however you, whatever engagement you want to use. But the most important thing is subscribing and clicking the bell, because we're gonna be releasing videos like this every Saturday during the to help you get through all this pandemic while your gyms are closed, etc. And just a way to give back, all right? So every Saturday, so to not miss out on the videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell, all right? So that's all I got. HectorAsStrongAsHeck.com with this week's workout of the week. Later.